Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Do we like my hair or is this weird? I'm just getting the product out of the box so I can show you what's up. It's clearly testing me. Today I'm going to be using the ABH Jackie Aina palette. Okay, seriously, can you even handle the name of these colors? Zam, Dwalas, Lituation, Trust Issues. Alright, so the eyebrows are done because that takes forever and you've already seen how I do it. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. I'm priming my eyelids and I'm going in with a brush to blend that out. And going over that with my sponge. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder, I'm going to set my eyelids so that none of the eyeshadows stick and they all blend out smoothly. Using the Morphe M505 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Ginger. I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. I'm going to blend it into the crease and then using any extra product, I'm pushing that upwards and creating a nice transition. This shadow is really pigmented, so I really had to work with it. Using the Morphe M513 brush, I'm going to be diffusing out that transition shade even further. This is a real haired brush, so it works a lot better than a synthetic in terms of blending out color. Anytime I'm struggling with blending, I always go in with a real haired brush. Now dipping into the color edges using the Anastasia brush that comes with the palette, I'm focusing that color on the outer corners of my eyes and slightly into the crease. Going back in with the Morphe M505, I'm using this brush again to transition those colors together. I'm going in for it. I'm using Dwalas. I love saying that, Dwalas. Can you even say it any other way, really? I'm using that in the corners of my eyes and then packing that onto the lid. And when I say packing, I mean I dipped into this color like 10 times, so go ham. Now going in with the color Trust Issues, I'm going to pack that right on top of the other color. That's going to really intensify it and make it pop. Using the Morphe M513 brush again, that real haired brush, I'm going to be blending all of the colors together, including the shimmers. It's a lot of packing colors on and blending them out in between stages. This is the Morphe M411 brush. It's a much more precise brush. It actually has a little bit of a tip to it. So I dipped into the color Credit, which is a brown, and I'm just deepening up the edges. I want to create a depth. Using the color Pinker on the Anastasia brush again, I'm now placing that in between the deeper brown and the shimmer, and I'm creating a nice ombre effect by blending those three colors together. Popping on a thin coat of mascara before I use some false lashes. I'm going to be using the Salon Perfect 625 lashes and the Maybelline gel eyeliner. So I'm popping them on and then I put the liner on top to cover the lash band. This is the Catrice Fresh It Up Primer. Really hydrating. I love it underneath foundations. And then I'm using the Cover FX Custom Drops. These are potent. You just need a drop. I actually use too much. I'm blending that in with the SEPHORA Luminizing Drops in the color Moonlight, and I'm using my brush to blend this out first. As you can see, it is so potent. It's actually a concentrated foundation, so you can blend it out with an oil or drops. You need to blend it out with something. This step is a must for me. I always go in with my sponge after applying foundations just to seamlessly blend everything out and sheer out the product a little bit. Using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light, I'm concealing underneath my eyes. First I used the sponge and then I realized I wanted to use the brush. And I'm setting my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I'm also going to be setting my T-zone and everywhere that breaks up on my face, as well as just taking a sheer layer of that powder all over to set the foundation. I'm bronzing up with the Maybelline City Bronzer. I've been using this nonstop. I really love this bronzer. And using the same bronzer to contour my nose. I'm blending all of that together with a fluffy brush. Setting my skin with the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray, I'm then going in with the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal, and I'm highlighting my cheekbones and my nose. Then I'm using the Essence blush. This is so pretty. I'm using this on the apples of my cheeks and on my cheekbones. Taking some mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm reapplying that shade Trust Issues to the corners of my eye for a pop, and using the Colourpop Lippie in the shade Taurus. Quick hair change and I'm done. This is the look. Thanks for watching.